This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, July the 6th, 2014. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have pretty much a ridge over the Intermountain West. You can see that with the 594 circle around Nevada, Utah, and Colorado. Main flow will be coming out of the north and west around here, and with a disturbance moving through, this could kick off some showers and thunderstorms, mainly over the eastern to central half of the state at least. Could be some strong to severe storms. Highs today will be mainly in the 80s to lower 90s, higher over the western counties. Monday, the chances of precipitation don't really go away. Mostly during the daytime hours, the chances will be fairly remote, with some isolated activity in the afternoon, building into some storms later Monday night into very early Tuesday. You can see by Tuesday at midday, the better chances of showers and storms will be off to our east as the frontal system will be moving away from the state. And we should see some drier and much cooler weather, highs back into the upper 70s to lower 80s here on Wednesday as high pressure will be directly overhead. Plenty of sunshine, maybe some afternoon fair weather cumulus clouds at that point. And then as we go into Thursday, the winds begin to turn southerly again. This will boost temperatures into the lower to middle 80s. A few more clouds in the afternoon. Could see an isolated shower or storm, mainly in the Les Hills around Interstate 29 up into the Siouxland. And then this will move through here into Thursday night and Friday across the strait, so we could see some showers and thunderstorms once again. And this could bring another active pattern as we head into the following weekend here. As we go into Saturday, and we could see an isolated shower or storm around. Chances would be about 20 to 30%. Can't really rule out any precipitation, but there'll be plenty of sunshine around here for your Saturday. And then as we head to a week from today, next Sunday, you can see a ridge over the west once again, extending from the Four Corners region and the central and southern plains westward into California. Still have a west to northwesterly flow aloft, a bit of a trough axis moving through that could kick off some more showers and thunderstorms as we move into next Sunday. So the active pattern will repeat itself once again as we head into next weekend. And then speaking of going even further out, this is the extended period on July the 17th. We have a zonal flow as a ridge is pretty much a flat ridge over the south, back into the south and west. Flow coming straight out of the west. So this will keep storm systems progressively moving across the northern tier of the country. We have one moving east across the Great Lakes, another one over western Canada, some monsoonal moisture over the south and west, and typical afternoon storms in the southeast. Then at the end of the forecast on July the 21st, now we have a ridge centering itself somewhere around Paducah, Kentucky. And this will be put on the northern fringe of that as the main storm track will be near the U.S.-Canadian border. This still wouldn't rule out a chance of a shower or storm around, but they'll be very widely spaced. Better chances of any precipitation would likely be with the monsoonal flow in the southwest, some afternoon storms in the south and east as there's no real storm systems around. But the satellite image from last evening shows one storm system moving in from the northern plains. That'll come in here later today. The monsoonal flow in the southwest, a disturbance over the southeast coast, and a few more clouds in the Midwest. The watch warning map from last evening, you see a severe thunderstorm watch over eastern North Dakota into northwestern Minnesota. A few warnings up there. Otherwise, outside of some river flooding continuing in Iowa, it was fairly quiet across the country. A QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts here will be widely spaced between maybe a quarter of an inch to upwards of 2 inches or more. Some areas may get more, some areas may get less. It won't be uniform.